Just finished my vaccination process. It was absolutely seamless. Took me barely an hour or two to get through. And please get vaccinated. Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog, I'm going to be showing you guys my journey to get the COVID vaccine. Later in the video, I'm going to be telling you the simplest possible way to register yourself for the COVID vaccine. Now, it completely depends on you which vaccine you need to take. Both of them have the same purpose, but yes, they use different methods. So you can take the Covaxin or the Covishield, it all depends on you. But please get vaccinated. It's currently 12:15 and my slot is at 2 o'clock. So I would aim to reach there by 1:30 or 1:45. I also have to cover a distance of 35 kilometers. I have to go all the way to Marine Drive to get my vaccination done, but it's all worth it because at the end of the day, I am going to get my first dose. And yes, you are going to see a few cinematic shots. Just finished my vaccination process. It was absolutely seamless. Took me barely an hour or two to get through. And please get vaccinated. It's safe. It's completely safe. And I'll tell you how I got vaccinated in just a moment. It's currently 4 o'clock in the evening and I'm back home after my first dose of the COVID vaccine. Now, how did I register for the vaccine? The first step is to get yourself registered on the CoWIN website and get your reference number. After you register yourself on the CoWIN website, you go to this link. In this link, you will be redirected to a Telegram channel based on your preference. Let's just say you live in Mumbai. You choose your state and your district as Mumbai city. You will be redirected to a Telegram group. The Telegram group's name, if you're living in Mumbai, will be Under 45 Mumbai Vaccine Tracker. Depending on your location, the names might be different. Now, this is a tracker which tracks down the availability of vaccines in India. At the end of the day, the objective is the same. It does not matter which vaccine you take. It's completely based upon your preference. Now, a few things to remember is that number one, keep your Telegram notifications on throughout the day. It does not come at stipulated amount of times. It can come at any time of the day. In the morning, in the night, in the evening, in the afternoon, any time of the day. And you have to be vigilant enough to register yourself at that very moment, fill in the exact PIN code and register yourself for the vaccine. So yes, that's how you register for the COVID vaccine. Again, there are side effects of the vaccine. It's been 1 hour since I've got the vaccine and I'm experiencing some minor headache. That's also because I've not eaten anything after 10 o'clock in the morning. So again, the side effects depend upon you completely, and I will not be talking about the side effects because I do not want that to be included in the video. If I had to give you a time frame very simply, it took me 1 hour to reach the hospital and it took me precisely just 1 hour from the queue till me exiting even after the observation room. Let's just say your slot is from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Now, I recommend one thing, be there 15 minutes before time because you'll get the vaccine earlier. I did have to wait in the queue for around 33 minutes, but right after I finished the registration, paid for the vaccine, I went in, got my jab in less than 10 seconds, went out to the observation center, sat there for another 25 to 30 minutes and left, and I've come back home within 1 hour. So in all, I spent 1 hour in traveling to the hospital, 1 hour at the hospital, and 1 hour coming back from the hospital to the house. So it took me around 3 hours of my day. Trust me, it is worth it. It is better to be safe than sorry in the end. If you're eligible, please get yourself vaccinated at the earliest. The minimum eligibility is a 2003 born. It does not depend on which month. You need to be born in the year of 2003. So that's it for this video. I understand that it wasn't really entertaining. I wanted to make this a short, informative kind of a vlog. And please get yourself vaccinated at the earliest. And I'll see you guys in the next video because the next video is exactly what you think. Take care, stay safe.